Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy vegetable omelet. Let's begin by gathering our simple ingredients. You will need about 2 to 3 large eggs, a small splash of milk, and your preferred chopped vegetables like bell peppers, onions, or spinach. Don't forget a little oil or butter for the pan, and of course, salt and pepper to taste. This quick meal is perfect for any time of day. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the vegetables. It's important to wash and finely chop them into small, even pieces. For harder vegetables like bell peppers and onions, I recommend sautéing them gently in a pan for about 3 to 5 minutes until they are slightly tender. Softer greens, such as spinach, can be added directly to the egg mixture or wilted briefly. This pre-cooking step guarantees a perfectly cooked and flavorful omelet. With your vegetables ready, it's time to mix and cook. In a bowl, whisk 2 to 3 large eggs with a small splash of milk, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper until light and frothy. Heat about 1 tablespoon of oil or butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour in the egg mixture, swirling to cover the entire bottom of the pan. As the edges set, gently push the cooked egg towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Almost done. Once the eggs are mostly set but still a little moist on top, sprinkle your prepared vegetables evenly over one half of the omelet. Now, carefully fold the other half of the omelet over the vegetable filling. Let it cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, just until the vegetables are heated through and the egg is fully set. Gently slide your beautiful, fluffy vegetable omelet onto a plate. Garnish with fresh herbs if you like, and enjoy your delicious, homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.